YouTubers. All right. It's been a lazy Sunday morning, and I'm going over a pile of emails, and one in particular stood out to me by a username of Matt the Moose. Matt the Moose. So, well, anyways, Matt writes, "Hey Bob, appreciate the videos. You've helped me on a couple of them, but managed to make me seek elsewhere in the YouTube community due to your tasteless humor. I would have been a long-time follower if it wasn't for your douchebag attitude and foul mouth. How about doing one video with you shutting up for once?" And he goes on and on and on. I am not the type that would turn down a request from a YouTuber, especially if it's one that catches my attention this much. So, Matt, the following video is for you, and it came at a perfect time because I am about due a cabin filter replacement. It's been about 5,000 miles, I believe. I change them a lot earlier than most people because I do a lot of desert camping and there's a lot of dust and debris in the air, and I switch those out often. So, Matt, here you go. A YouTube video without me talking. Me, GXBOB, shutting the hell up.